Silver last week posted a very strong recovery, very strong rise towards $31 levels and closed the week at 30.70. Another important week ahead where we have the Fed's interest rate decision going to drive the markets and metals prices as well. Now, what is going to be our strategy? Is it going to break high beyond 32? As we can see, it has formed a nice flag here and now trying to come out of this. Can we expect another round of rise taking it beyond 32, 33 zone, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end of the update I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so do watch till the end. Also, those who are new to the channel, this is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates and targets for silver, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Do not miss to watch both. Thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first, if you look at the monthly chart, see last 2 to 3 months we have seen a bit of consolidation here in the silver prices, failing to stay above 32, which was also outside Bollinger Bands. You have seen prices retracing a bit, coming towards the support close to 27. It is now trying to revert. Now see what has happened this month. It has started on a bearish note, hit the lows here and hit the highs as well. Now if you look at the delta here at this point, the next stronger resistance for silver is going to be towards 3150 levels and then 3180 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to a move towards 3240 or plus levels. So right now it appears that there is slight bullishness. Also remember the $31 levels, this is at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Definitely a little resistance can be seen here, and as long as 3150 or 3180 is not taken, the chances of a reversal will remain high. Yes, it could continue here on the downside. Also remember what has happened. See, first bearish candle, a indecision candle, then a increasing body size here. Now a increase in body size suggests that the current candle might also deliver a bearish candle, and thus the current levels at 31, 3150, this zone is going to remain critical for silver. Remember, it can reverse from these levels and close at bottom. Possibility exists strong as long as it stays below 3150. Now if you look at the formation for the last few months, we have seen consolidation in the silver prices. Then this breakout has appeared. It has consolidated here. It is also waited for the moving average to climb up. Now the 20-50 period moving average, all the moving averages are looking upwards, staying bullish. And for the near term, if you just connect the dots, you'll find that silver is largely trading in this channel here. The highs at around 32, 32.4. Stochastic here is comfortable. Also after the rise, it is retraced. Let's see if it starts to look upwards this month. If you look at the MACD, on the MACD, see the divergence here in the moving averages, or you can see the divergence here in the lines here, you can find out that there is still possibility of a further rise in the silver prices and it can move towards. And looking at this, it appears that the current month is going to remain bullish. Possibility of a rise exists here and it might remain in green. So now beyond 31, we should not be looking forward to more, you can say, complete reversal, but and specifically beyond 31 and 50, you should say that now the reversal is going to be definitely difficult. We can look forward to 3180, 3240, and beyond 3240 we can look forward to highs. But I can still say one thing, that the higher it goes, the chances of reversal will increase, because see, right now it is trading at a slightly overbought zone. If you look at the RSI, this is still got some room for upside move. Let's have a look at the week. On the weekly charts, after the rise price is retraced here, it has come out of this flag formation. Remember, it is trying to break out of this flag formation, and if it breaks beyond first 31, then 3150, if these two levels are taken, I think the pullback is going to be difficult here. Right now I can still say that there is room for a reversal till 31, 3150 zone. But beyond this, if it stays in the coming week, just stay bullish. It is a breakout. It is a multi-week breakout here where we can look forward to move towards 3180, 3240, and in fact higher levels are possible. Also look what it has done. It has formed a very strong support now at 28. For any bearishness in prices, it has to stay below 28 in order to confirm a complete reversal. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD, what it has done, it has crossed over here. It is trading with divergence now, trying to converge a bit. If you look at the formation, rise retracement, and you can see this. It appears that if it crosses over from the current levels, the up move is going to bring stronger bullish momentum for the near future. RSI rising, again good sign for the bulls here on the weekly. Now this is one formation because see this crossover coming off at a little higher levels, and after a good rise it appears that it has to continue for a little while on the downside, but right now, and see the lows here are far below, and thus this suggests that there has to be bearishness, but right now the move is not very much supportive, and if it breaks, again I am highlighting the levels, if it breaks 3150 in the coming week, chances of reversal will remain low, and then we can look forward to 3180, 3240, or in fact 3280 or $33 levels as well very soon. This one possibility I am a bit cautious of because see, as I said, there is still scope for a down move, and the critical levels, as I have mentioned, I will be definitely watchful and alert of these. RSI on the weekly charts after forming double bottom trying to rise, and this also suggests that there could be an up move coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, so far after this strong rise we have seen silver trading in this bearish channel. This time it has given a breakout out of this flag formation. Now this breakout is critical, this breakout is significant here. Only bearishness in silver is if it drops below 28, 27, 50 zone, then only we can say now the bears are back in action. Else what is happening, it is breaking out of this flag formation, which is a good indication for the bulls in the near future. Now second point to note here is the bands are now expanding, and these are expanding on both sides. Moving averages are now looking upwards. 29, 29, 20, the first or the stronger support here, then 28, 27, 50, the strongest one. And now you can see this, it has shown two stronger bullish candle, and here at this point you can say that the bullishness getting diminished compared to this size. This candle is getting smaller. The coming first trading session is going to decide the future of silver. A move beyond 31, and then 31 2025, and then 3150. If these three levels are taken in succession, you can say it is going to bring stronger and enormous bullishness for the near future. We are looking forward to 32, 3240, and in fact 3280, 33 levels as well. A stock IC entering into overbought zone. This is also making me a bit cautious with the rise here, as in how it enters in this zone, the chances of reversal increases. But look at, if you see the MACD here, look at the formation here, symmetrical, this form is done, and see now it has crossed over, and if it continues to rise you can see where is the peak here. So be watchful here at the current levels, again highlighting the levels 31, 3150. RSI rising, signs of bullishness here as well. Coming to 4. Now on the 4-hour chart, the crossover in the moving average definitely is a bullish sign. Next, if you look at, see, this is trading in this formation here. The more it diverges from the 20 period, the chances of move towards 20 period increases. Then see the exponential, the rise, or the stronger the rise, the stronger can be the move on the downside. So first on the downside in the coming week, if you see it is staying below 3040, you can take a selling entry and wait for it to break below $30 or 29.80. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that the reversal possibility will increase, and then you can look forward to 29 20 $29 levels as the next targets. And if these two levels are taken, then we can look forward to a greater move on the downside, taking it below 28. See, these are markets. You have to look at both the probabilities. If there are bulls, there are bears as well, and both the forces, you know, both the forces remain active at the same levels in the market. Two actions takes place: someone buys, someone sells. So yes, this is how you should look at. You have to look at both the opportunities. Right now, the moving average is crossing over here. This is a bullish sign. Though the stock has near to overbought, the MACD is still rising, looking upwards, and it appears that the MACD has seen good enough rise, though it can still rise here for a while before reversing. RSI is coming to extremely overbought zone, which increases the chances of reversal. So now at the current levels, it is going to be definitely difficult for silver to continue this, and that is why I say till 3150 we have to be cautious. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort and those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a SAF-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, global presence, easier transactions, easier withdrawals. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Do join the recommended broker and enjoy your trading journey. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 30.85, where you can expect 31.05, 31.25, 31.50. Now, till here, you can say we are taking a cautious approach. Till here, you should be mindful of the rise. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to a phenomenal move which can take it towards 31, 32.40, 32.75, and then 33.10. Yes, if it can show a move from 28 to 30, 31 in just 1 week, we can look forward to a further rise here as well. And these levels are going to remain critical. Mark this, and you should be cautious at around these levels. From these levels, if you see a first trading session taking the rise or hitting the highs here at 31.20, 31.50, possibility of a move on the downside with the Fed with the interest rate decisions like this is strong. And if you see a struggle at 31.20, 31.50 specifically, you can say that the interest rate decision might reverse the complete trend and it is going to crash harder. While if it stays above 31.50, I think the chances of an up move with the Fed's interest rate hike will be very, very high. Also, first two trading session, if you see a drop where you can see the price is moving towards 30 or in fact 29.50, you can say it is going to take the support here, and from these levels with the interest rate hike decision, it can completely go bullish again. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's talk about the levels to, as these are markets, it can swing either which ways. I will recommend you to sell here at 30.45 levels. Expect see 30.40, 30. Here is the first support zone. If it stays below this, the chances of a move towards 30.15 will be high, then 29.95, and then 29.80. If this zone is taken, chances will be very, very high that we may see it at around 29.45 levels, and then 29.20, $29 will appear. Any drop below 29 should bring more bearishness. We can look forward to a move towards 28.80, 28.50, and then 28. Any move below 28 is going to bring enormous crash here, where 27.50 and $27 levels cannot be denied. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch every day the two updates and targets. It's a share for silver. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon, or join the free Telegram channel. For joining the Signals channel, connect with me over Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.